Yeah, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to, forget your pup cup, so I ran back in and got you one. That's good stuff, huh? That's good stuff. Oh my goodness, you were like the least excited dog about this. Do you still want it? My dogs would be jumping at me. There we go. There he goes. Yeah, it's good stuff. Squish. You want to just keep it back there? It's getting a little bit harder now. Good boy. You gotta get it. Oh, there's more in there. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, there's still some in there. Let's see. Come on, your tongue can get that. It's funny because my dog's like whole faces can fit in the cup. Oh, go get it. Yup. Oh, he's gonna get it. Good boy. Oh, where'd he go? If you keep it back there, it might not fall off.